Hi, I'm Morgan with Boating Mag, and I'm sitting on Yamaha's top of the line of the FX Series models, the FX Limited SVHO. This year, this model has elevated even further with the luxury, technology, and performance. So let's take a look at some of those features that set it apart. In the past, one of the most highly demanded features that would be an added accessory were speakers. So now you have the option on this model to actually have factory installed integrated speakers that connect to your system. The audio system comes with two 4.5-inch marine grade speakers that are positioned so that the rider can hear the music at any point, and it's an easy access point with the touchpad right here, so you don't have to dig through the glove box for your phone. It also comes with a 2-channel amplifier so that it has peak performance sound quality. The audio system is controlled by and connects to your Connect's touchscreen system that's been upgraded to a 7-inch on the SVHO models and a 5-inch on the HO models. It can also control your phone with voice activation and the touches of a button with the integrated microphone, so you can make outgoing phone calls and you can even receive incoming phone calls using the touchscreen and read incoming text messages as well. You can also get a GPS mapping card so that you can use the full range of features for your GPS system, including setting waypoints and geofences that allow you to control set boundaries with an audio warning system. On your Connect screen, you'll also have a feature called Drive Control. It allows the operator to set everything custom so that the Watercraft drives exactly how they want to. That includes your acceleration rate, your max speed, and even your auto trim can be saved under a specific profile. These new Connect screens are also great because they're glass, so they have great touch sensitivity and are brightly colored, so it's still very easy to see in direct sunlight. The newly designed handlebars also have performance grip on the handles themselves so that your hands don't get as fatigued as quickly. It's also very intuitive with just a single button to start and stop, and it has a newly integrated hook to tie off your rope on the dock. This model is also equipped with the Ride dual throttle control, which means all you have to do is squeeze your right trigger to go forward, your left to go in reverse or slow down while you're at speed, and when you let go of both of them, you're in neutral. This model is also equipped with 4 different places to access storage so that you have plenty of room to take everything you need on the water, and it totals in 44.5 gallons. One of those storage spots is a newly designed glove box. The glove box not only has a specific spot to hold your cell phone, it also has a 12-volt charger, a USB port, and an LED light for easy, visible access. On the performance side, there are several things that have helped increase the overall performance of this particular watercraft. The ride plate has been redesigned for smooth, quick acceleration, and the sponsons have been relocated to help reduce bow spray. This thing is like a rocket ship on the water. Just a slight squeeze to the trigger and you're off to the races. You can increase your speed all the way up to 68 miles an hour. But just because it's incredibly fast doesn't mean that it will get away from the operator. It's just as stable in sharp, fast turns. This high level of performance is all thanks to the supercharged 1.8-liter engine that's also the same motor winning a lot of professional watercraft races today. I was personally blown away with the speed and stability of this watercraft, so I highly recommend you get on the water and try one for yourself today. My name is Morgan with Boating Mag, and this is the FX Limited SVHO from Yamaha.